Looking to transform your PC with vibrant, customizable lighting and top-tier performance? The VENGEANCE RGB Pro SL memory modules deliver exactly that. Each module features 10 ultra-bright, individually addressable RGB LEDs, letting you create eye-catching effects that sync perfectly with your setup using CORSAIR's iCUE software. At just 44 mm tall, these modules fit comfortably under larger air coolers like the CORSAIR A500, ensuring compatibility without sacrificing style or cooling. Designed for the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, they're optimized for maximum bandwidth and tight response times, so your system runs smoothly whether gaming or working. What sets the VENGEANCE RGB Pro SL apart is its custom performance PCB, engineered to provide the highest signal quality. This means greater stability and consistent overclocking potential thanks to carefully screened memory chips. Plus, the solid aluminum heat spreader improves thermal conductivity, keeping your memory cool under pressure while adding a sleek, modern look to your build. From personal experience, installation is straightforward. Just plug in and enable Intel XMP2.0 for a simple one-setting setup. While the lighting effects are impressive, some users find CORSAIR's proprietary iCUE software a bit tricky at first. It might take some patience to master, but once you do, syncing your memory with other CORSAIR RGB products like keyboards and fans creates a unified, immersive lighting experience. If you value both aesthetics and performance, the VENGEANCE RGB Pro SL modules offer a solid balance. They're ideal for anyone wanting to upgrade their system's look without compromising speed or reliability. The vivid colors and tight integration with iCUE make your PC stand out, while the advanced engineering ensures it keeps up with demanding tasks. Worth a look if you want memory that's as stylish as it is powerful. The combination of premium components and customizable lighting gives you control over both form and function. Just be prepared to spend a little time with the software to unlock its full potential. Ready to elevate your build with VENGEANCE RGB Pro SL? Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, these modules bring a noticeable boost in both performance and visual appeal. Try them when you're ready to add that extra spark to your system.